Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get next day delivery on Amazon. In order to do so, here we are at Amazon.com, and what we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You're going to find where it says account and lists. And if you just click on that, then you can see here on the next page that we have where it says Prime. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And this is where you can manage your membership with Prime. And it really is pretty cost effective. It's only $4.99 a month. And what you can do with that is then you have access to Prime delivery, which means that certain products, now not every product, but certain products you are going to be able to get next day delivery. So if you don't have a Prime membership, then you can go ahead and get started with that, and you gain access to not just the one day delivery, but you also get access to Prime movies and Prime music. So it's a pretty significant deal for only $5 a month. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, you can gain access to an extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to be able to ask questions of an AI chatbot at any time. Not only do you get access to Cider Fusion, but you also get access to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek so that you can compare responses. It really is a fantastic tool. Highly recommend it. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Go ahead and click on that, and you'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.